These cows aren't gonna haul themselves to McCall's farm. Let's go!
Uh-oh. Wait!
What is it?
I can't steam, and I lost my peep because I'm out of water.
I'm a diesel, so I don't need water. Catch me if you can.
That's it. Sorry, cows, but we gotta Rusty rail spikes. I have the hiccups.
Hey, Thomas. Is there like a really big chicken around here?
No, it's me. I took on water too fast, and I think I got the hiccups. So bad, I can't do the delivery.
Oh, I hear steam blasts help. Like this.
That might have worked.
The cows have hiccups? Oh, that's hilarious. Uh-oh.
A good surprise always cures the hiccups.
It worked.
It's a good thing we diesels never get hiccups. I guess we do get hiccups.